guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool frame effect on CapCut PC. So add in this white stock video. I'm just going to freeze frame it and delete the rest. Then I'm just going to extend it to the duration of the video. Go to mask and select the rectangle and press the reverse button. You can make it as small as you want it to be, or you can make it as big. Just make sure you also adjust the video. You don't have to make it like this small. You can of course adjust it. I just adjust it a little bit, but I treat kind of like the small frame, so you can like put words underneath there. Select the black stock video again, freeze frame it so you can delete the rest. Add it behind this video. Oops. Then go to mask and select rectangle, and then you're just going to adjust it again, like reverse it. We're going to then adjust this to the frame, and we're going to feather it out to create kind of like a shadow. And I'm just going to adjust it again. Don't feather it out too much. And as you can see, it creates this like in-depth effect. I think it'll show more if the video or photo was like brighter like this one. As you can see, you can clearly see the shadow here, and if you want to add more, just like feather that out. You can layer it to create even more depth like that. You can add in a text here and stuff, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and hopefully I can answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.